सो बेसिकली मतलब किसी भी प्लेसमेंट इंटरव्यू के लिए प्रेप करने के लिए सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट चीज़ है ये जानना कि तुम्हें एक्चुअली जाना कहाँ है या तुम्हें लाइफ में करना क्या है, व्हाट वुड बी योर प्रोफाइल बेसिकली, जिसको हम बोलते हैं कि तुम्हें एसडी करना है, डीएडीएस करना है, प्रोडक्ट करना है।
मेरा मेनली प्लेसमेंट का एसडी के लिए मैं प्रिपेयर कर रहा था। सो फॉर दैट डीएसए कर लो, प्रोजेक्ट्स कर लो एंड हैविंग अ गुड इंटर्न वो बेनिफिशियल रहेगा काफ़ी।
Okay, so I'll talk about the software role. Apart from the coding you have done till your, I think before your internships and all, after internship say you didn't get a PPO. So I think practicing on platform like LeetCode and solving CSCS problem sheet should be the main task. And there are so many other things to learn. I mean, I'll categorize into points. The first will be the data structures and problem solving. Second would be computer fundamentals. Third would be your project. And I think fourth would be the communication and how will you present yourself.
So, in regards to data science and analytics in general, you should do guesstimates, you should do whatever is in your resume. Resume should be the first priority. Many interviews just ask about resume and the concepts involved in it and then go on grading.
आई थिंक प्रोजेक्ट्स बहुत अच्छे से प्रिपेयर करना, थोड़े यूनिक प्रोजेक्ट्स होने चाहिए क्योंकि जनरली AI ML वाली साइड सबके बहुत सिमिलर से प्रोजेक्ट्स रहते हैं। तो अगर तुम्हारा प्रोजेक्ट यूनिक है तो इंटरव्यूअर के साथ तुम्हें कन्वर्सेशन करने में काफ़ी हेल्प करेगा।
For preparations of placements, one should be looking into which fields they are interested in. The fields can be varied into core or non-core fields. For non-core fields, it encompasses different things such as product development, machine learning, DADS, and of course software development. And for core, it of course encompasses everything that you are studying in your core subjects. For the non-core part, I can be telling really for the software development, you need to brush up your DSS skills, as of course you would be giving many online assessments, and that needs to be done at a very formal stage to gain experience in it and to not fumble in the ultimate and important moments of any online assessment.
रिसेशन है तो हाँ, आइडियली कंपनीज काफ़ी कम हायर्स करके जा रही है। सो थोड़ी दिक्कत तो आ रही है उसमें, बट लाइक तुम अपने स्किल्स में कॉन्फिडेंस रखो। थोड़ा लक फैक्टर भी रहता है, बट इवेंचुअली अगर तुमने पढ़ा है तो तुम्हारा अच्छा प्लेसमेंट लग जाएगा।
ओके, सो सबसे बड़ा जो मेजर मतलब हमारे लिए ऑब्स्टेकल था या प्रॉब्लम थी वो ये था कि कंपनीज आएंगी कि नहीं आएंगी।
I don't think recession का ज़्यादा फ़र्क पड़ा because like for a SD role recession काफ़ी फ़र्क पड़ा, but डेटा साइंस एंड क्वांट पे उतना इफेक्ट तो नहीं आया। इनफैक्ट डेटा साइंस और बढ़ा इस बार जो प्लेसमेंट सीन था।
Right, so during the recessions, I think the number of companies that come in usually they have decreased, but it is for SD. I believe for business roles it has gradually increased because of our business culture growing.
Even I feel I was affected somehow with this recession because I had my internship with Amazon and I got the inclination for a pre-placement offer, but the offer was not rolled out because of this recession season maybe. So I feel it somehow affected me also.
Okay, so like I guess first year में decide कर लिया था मैंने कि because कोर में मेरे को इंटरेस्ट था नहीं एंड मशीन लर्निंग एंड इस सब में काफ़ी इंटरेस्ट था एंड आई वाज लाइक अगर इसमें करियर बन जाए तो लाइक मज़ा ही काम लगी मेरी।
So it was pretty much maybe in second semester. So I was studying the chemical engineering courses that were there in our academic courses. But at the same time I was exploring various fields like robotics, Flutter, business and finance side as well. And I came across sort of product management domain and the non-core domain. So I just liked it and pursued it.
I think I decided to go in software field in my third or fourth semester.
Okay, so I was confused regarding whether to go for core or non-core till the end of second year, but I approached my seniors, my mentors, and recognized my interest and finally decided that as my passion lied in coding and I love to solve problems and software was something which fascinated me, I decided to go for that by the end of second year.
सारे राउंड्स इक्वली इम्पोर्टेंट हैं, बट ये होता है कि बीच बीच में कभी कभी वो तुमसे मैनेजरियल क्वेश्चंस पूछ लेते हैं, मेनली ये देखने के लिए कि तुम टीम में फिट होते हो कि नहीं.
So there was in my second round of interview, the interviewer's name was also Priyanshu, and in the beginning also we connected on a good level, and we started with an unofficial chat. I think that was a game changer because there I could make him really comfortable, and he could feel that I am working with him in an office rather than this was an interview. So I think that was a game changer.
I think the technical rounds were game changer, and as I was able to answer all the questions, and even in my HR round, I got a feedback that I had good grasp over some of the concepts.
HSPC का फर्स्ट राउंड आफ्टर द GD, और एक्चुअली उसमें मैं बकचोदी कर रही थी केवल, मुझे कोई आइडिया नहीं था कि मुझे HSPC में जाना भी है, और इस वजह से हो गया. कॉन्फिडेंस काफ़ी अच्छा था.
पीयर प्रेशर तो बहुत था, मतलब सभी लोग पढ़ रहे थे आसपास, एंड मेरे लिए तो काफ़ी अच्छी बात थी क्योंकि उसी वजह से मैं भी पढ़ रहा था.
सो फॉर मी पीयर प्रेशर ज़्यादा फील किया नहीं मैंने, बिकॉज पीयर प्रेशर तब फील करते हो जब आपके पीयर्स भी सेम चीज़ कर रहे होते हैं. बट मेजॉरिटी जितने भी दोस्त थे सबके साथ सॉफ्टवेयर में ही जाना चाह रहे थे, एंड क्वांट में कोई जाने का ट्राई कर नहीं रहा था.
Right. So in terms of peer pressure, I think I got enough shortlist, so I did not feel the peer pressure.
ओके सो मतलब ये एक ऐसी फीलिंग है जिसको ऑनेस्टली कोई भी स्टूडेंट वर्ड्स में तो डिफाइन कर ही नहीं सकता.
Yeah, so once I got to know about the results that have been placed, so it was a sense of like a relief that yes, I've been placed. And
it's good, it's relaxing, like
Relieved, stress relieved, and finally it all feels worth it.
In one word, I would like to say I feel satisfied.
So there is one thing that after my offer came, I said to my friend, I said that इतनी अच्छी सांस मुझे कभी नहीं आई.
अच्छे से पढ़ लो.
जूनियर्स को यही एडवाइस है कि लाइक CP कर लो, DSA कर लो अगर तुम्हें टेक वाली फील्ड में जाना है तो, बिकॉज इन द एंड सबसे ज़्यादा लाइक ये हमेशा गेम चेंजिंग बन ही जाता है.
As advice to juniors, I would say give as much mock interviews as you can from our alumni, because they are very supportive and they could actually mimic the interviews. The mock interviews I gave were really helpful.
Just a simple advice, don't lose hope, don't lose your confidence. If you are, just keep on improving your skill set.
Take placement seriously.
बी कॉन्फिडेंट. तुम्हारी स्किल्स ऑफकोर्स बहुत मैटर करती है, लेकिन ऑन अ स्केल ऑफ 10 अगर तुम्हारी स्किल्स 8 है लेकिन तुम्हारा कॉन्फिडेंस 10 है तो हाँ, यू आर गुड इनफ.
कॉलेज लाइफ ही, मेरे को तो हॉस्टल में रहना पसंद है आइडियली, तो हाँ सारे फ्रेंड्स को ही मिस करेंगे.
I think friends, I'll miss the comfort of my friends, going just roaming around from here to there in the hostel and finding a friend in each room, and LC and CVR chai. Every evening I go for a chai at CVR and LC. I think those are the most important things that I'll miss.
Yeah, after leaving the college, I would definitely miss my friends, the people here, this campus, the overall aura of this campus, and the Varanasi city, obviously.
बैकग्राउंड जानना काफ़ी इम्पोर्टेंट इसलिए होता है, या तो वो खुद तुम्हें सामने से पूछ लेगा कि तुम कंपनी के बारे में क्या जानते हो, या फिर एंड में, हर इंटरव्यू के एंड में ये तो होता है कि वो पूछता है कि इंटरव्यूअर के लिए तुम्हारे पास कोई क्वेश्चंस है कि नहीं.
Okay, it is very much important to know the background, because when you are sitting for the HR round, they'll be asking you why we should hire you, what do you know about our company. So when you study about the company's background, its vision, mission, what their values are, you will be more confident while answering those questions, that you can answer it in a way that the XYZ are some specific mission and vision of this company, and my goal aligns with these. mission vision. So that's why I want to be part of this organization. I want to deliver some value.
It's very important. In almost all of the rounds in MasterCard, I was asked why MasterCard, what kind of role are we offering. So I think it's really important so that you can show that you're aligned with the company and why do you exactly fit there.
It is very important to know the background of the company. In all the 4 rounds of Sprinkler, I was asked about the company's role. I was asked about what a product manager would do. I asked them questions about what a product analyst and a product manager does at Sprinkler, and what are the different products of Sprinkler, in what domain is Sprinkler, everything. In all the 4 rounds I was asked these questions. So it is very important for everyone to know the background of the company.
बहुत ज़्यादा. और तुम्हें ये भी पता होना चाहिए, दो अगर तुम्हारा प्रोफाइल थोड़ा सा डिफरेंट हो कंपनी की पोजीशन से, पर तुम्हें ये पता होना चाहिए कि तुम्हारी स्किल्स उस पर्टिकुलर प्रोफाइल के लिए कैसे काम आएगी, और तुम्हें अलाइन करना आना चाहिए चीज़ों को कि मेरी स्किल्स तुम्हारी कंपनी का जो फंक्शन है या वो जो भी काम करती है उसमें कैसे फिट हो जाएगी.
Okay. So, like all of the guys who are seeing this, either the ones who are sitting for the placements right now, या जो आगे चल के placements के लिए बैठेंगे, all the best. पेल के आओ, फोड़ के आओ, और in the end सब अच्छा हो जाता है. Like सब हो ही जाता है. तो all the best. डरो मत, बस करते जाओ, हो जाता है.
So juniors, all the best for your placements next year or whenever they are coming. Just give your best. It's okay to face rejections. It's okay if you're not successful in your first round. You'll definitely crack a good company. You are in IIT BHU and you'll definitely succeed in life. That's for sure. Thank you.